A quick preparation for front-end developer. Here we will be discussing the essentials. We'll take a HTML page and see how to create different form elements, table elements, lists, etc. Not only with this, we will also discuss more concepts on coding part and how to do it. How to convert it into a beautiful bootstrap template. We'll discuss. In CSS, we will be discussing about body tags, container tags, H1, H2 headings, and how to apply the CSS to beautify it more. Then in JavaScript, we will be checking on different DOM elements usage, how to function calls, etc. In Git, we will be using git clone, fetch, init, status, pull, merge. That helps us and much more. Come, let's join for a quick recap for a front-end developer. Date 6th September, time 7 p.m. Please do share and subscribe to benefit a wider audience. Thank you.